How to customize Control Center on iPhone iOS 18. Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize the Control Center on your iPhone running iOS 18. So, make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to bring up the Control Center. Next, tap on the plus icon at the top left corner. This will open the Edit mode, where you can start customizing. In Edit mode, you can remove any shortcuts or functions that you don't need by tapping on them. You can also resize controls, make them 1 grid small, or expand them up to 4 grids. For some widgets, you can even expand them to fill a whole page. Drag and move widgets from one page to another, or even remove a whole page by deleting all the widgets on it. Tap on Add a Control to bring up a list of controls you can add, and simply tap the ones you want to include. Once you're done, exit Edit mode by tapping anywhere outside the Control Center. And that's how you can easily customize your Control Center on iOS 18. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.